Thanks, Brandon. In other news, the Kern County Sheriff's Office said tractors and forklifts stolen in the Lamont area were recovered earlier this week in Madera County. The Madera County Sheriff's Office deputies and California Highway Patrol officers found a tractor and 2 forklifts reported stolen out of the Lamont area, all while recovering an unrelated stolen vehicle in Madera. KCSO's Rural Crimes Investigation Unit, along with CHP, found 2 more tractors Tuesday. After serving a search warrant for a nearby property, detectives found a fuel trailer reported stolen out of Kern County as well. KCSO said the investigation is ongoing and no arrests have been made. Anyone with information is asked to call KCSO at 661-861-3110.